Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing assets and the correct rig so changes save reliably. Open your place, then import or locate the walk and run animation files. Make sure they match R6 or R15. Next, open the Animation Editor plugin and load the character model. Once done, set animation priority and trim or extend length so transitions are consistent. You want smooth loops and matching hip/root positions to avoid popping when animations switch. Now focus on transition timing and script hooks so the game uses the right clip. Edit keyframes to align root and foot placement and ensure walk and run loops are seamless. Then update the animation controller or humanoid. Animator script. Assign animation IDs, set speed and weight, and code conditional switching based on velocity. Once done, implement short crossfade durations so the character blends between clips. This reduces snapping and preserves momentum feeling when you change speeds. Finish by thoroughly testing and finalizing your setup so players get consistent movement. Playtest in studio, walk and run at different speeds and watch transitions. Tweak blend time and priority until movement looks natural. Make sure animation IDs reference uploaded assets and publish changes. If something goes wrong, like popping or no animation, check rig type mismatch, incorrect animation ID, or script not replicating to clients. Also confirm priority.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.